What is up, guys, and welcome back, and today we have another diecast review. This is of the Komatsu PC360-10, and really you can call this a review of the PC360-10 and 11 because their only difference comes on the engine cover with the exhaust being reworked. Otherwise, it is the same model, as I do have both, or I have had both. Do not currently have both, but anyways, so yes, let's dive into this review. And this is going to be kind of a shocker for some people because I don't really have Komatsu models. So anyways, the functionality, the bucket curls in that far, and it does have a pretty nice transportation pose. The bucket does go all the way out, which is pretty nice. The stick goes out as far as you could want it. The boom cylinders are loose, as you can see, but it does have a very, very nice dig depth, and it raises up to, as you can see, a very nice height. As you would expect, it does spin a full 360. You do have some rubber hydraulic lines, and they are textured, which is a very nice feature. The bucket is a 5-tooth bucket. It's kind of small considering its competitor, the Cat 336E, has a rather large bucket compared to this. And awkwardly enough, it just doesn't look right, to be honest. But the big but is that doesn't really matter. It's a nice overall model. But I'm used to the bigger bucket of the 336E. Up top, you do have these rubber hoses that do change colors from black to yellow to black. And then plastic work lights with a white surface. Very sharp graphics, as you'd expect. There was a handrail here, but it was broke in the box. You do have a little flimsy rubber antenna up top. PC360 LC. The cab detail is very phenomenal. With different colored parts, and it just looks great all around. Some plastic handrails, they do look a little big on the model. On the counterweight, you got reflectors, Komatsu, and a Danger logo. Keep out of swing area, and a very condensed language, or very condensed font. Up top, you do have some nice anti-slip texturing, as well as different colored components, which adds a very nice complex look to the model. You do have a vent back here, PC360 and Komatsu, as well as the handrails again with 2 mirrors. And the tracks, they are a nice metal. They do roll very easily. The carrier rollers look like they could move, but they don't. The tracks, they do seem a little flimsy, which is something that I've encountered a lot on first gear models. They do seem a little flimsy. Not terribly much, but they do seem a little flimsy. But overall, though, they are nice. They roll very smoothly. The fact that they're rolling on a smooth surface as well as they are is a pretty nice shock. But yeah, so why did I buy this model? I bought this because I've seen quite a few, or actually a company doing a major project near me is rented one of these out from Certified Rentals, so it had Certified Rentals that Komatsu on the boom and the counterweight and stuff. And I just, I liked it, so I got a PC-11, and the tracks were actually broken on it when I got it, so I just said screw it and got a 360-10, which would have been proper. And yeah, I love the model. It's just the tracks seem flimsy, and I almost forgot there is a rear view camera, which is a separately inserted piece. But it's a great model. Out of 10, I would solidly rate it at a 9 out of 10. Now then, would I buy this or the Cat 336E? That's actually a pretty interesting question. I would say it's almost a dead even tie. But if I had to choose one, I would choose by a hair not an inch, not a centimeter, but a hair, the Cat 336E, because the tracks do have that durability factor, and I do like to factor in durability in my reviews because there are people that will put these models in dioramas, and there are some younger viewers that will play with these. The 336E is a little bit more durable. However, it's a pretty dead even split between these two models. So 9 out of 10 though, and that's it for this review. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.